Alright, here's how to add personal experience to AI generated content. So first what you want to do is go here and here ask it to write a blog post. Okay, I have given a prompt, simple prompt, which is write a blog post of 500 words about trip to Vatican City and hit enter. And once I do that, so for your information, I'm in a free version of ChatGPT. You can see there's also upgrade option, so I'm using for free. Okay, so it is writing me an article, which is, let me go here and read to you. There are places to you visit, and there are places that you feel like. So this is like it has some AI influence. Now, how to add personalized experience? So simply what you can do is, okay, now that you can see, I will give it a simple prompt, which is, now write it by keeping following things in mind, which is number one is article should be personalized, first person perspective, add experience, use simple local English language words, make it conversational but formal, describe the scenarios or surroundings naturally throughout the article, and hit enter. And now let's just see how it writes the article. So this is the article which we have got earlier. Now let's just see the latest article, which is, let's just go and read. I still remember in the morning I visited Vatican City. It was one of the calm Roman mornings when the air felt fresh and the streets are slowly filling with people. I have already heard a lot of people, so you can see. So this is very good, and this is how you write, less AI influence content.